Preparing devices is the first step in any iOS device deployment for your school. Use the Prepare feature in Apple Configurator to quickly define and apply configurations, install apps, and update iOS to batches of new iOS devices. You need to prepare devices before you can supervise them or assign them to users. When preparing a device, you are linking the iOS device with the computer that is hosting Apple Configurator. The very first step is to supervise the devices. Connect the dock end of the cable to the iPad. Launch Apple Configurator and ensure that you are in the Prepare mode. Plug in the USB to your computer. The badge in the upper right corner of the Prepare icon indicates the number of currently connected devices. If you do not see a badge, then check the connection, USB on the Mac and dock on the iPad. As we are preparing or building our first master backup, you will only need to connect one device. This device will be used as the master copy. Once the device is plugged in, the badge in the upper right corner of the Prepare icon will display a number 1. You can name the device, but this is only the name that will be displayed in the device's settings. If you have physically labeled all of your devices with different names, it is recommended that you do not enter a name, as this could lead to confusion, as the name on the device will probably not match the system name. We recommend adding the school name or code in the name box, as this will enable to identify the device through the system settings. Set supervision to off if you want to configure a device once with Apple Configurator. As we intend to maintain control of the device on an ongoing basis by applying a configuration regularly, we will set supervision to on. Clicking on the Options button will allow you to identify the supervising computer, along with other information that will be added to the device's profile. Clicking on the Options button will allow you to identify the computer, along with other information that will be added to the prepared device's profile. Apple updates its operation system on a regular basis. If the device was not supervised, you would have some options in managing the version of iOS to install. As we need to supervise the device, no options are available. The default setting is, when update is available. Click on the Prepare button. Click Apply. The latest iOS will be installed, and this could take some time. Please note that you should never unplug the device until the full process is completed. To see the progress, click on the right pointing chevron, or the time left text box. This will expand the window detailing what process is happening. The circle in the far right indicates its progress. Please note that the battery icon and the percentage refers to the amount of power available on the device that is plugged into Apple Configurator. Process is complete when the message under all connected devices will be updated, reads, one device prepared. If you are preparing multiple devices, ensure that the numbers match. Once the device is prepared, click on one of the stop buttons to the right of the device message or at the bottom of the window. You will automatically return to the Prepare mode of Apple Configurator. You will notice that the badge, or circle, with the number of prepared devices now appears next to the Supervise icon.